war weapon, which is this origami gun. This double barrel gun. So for this cool looking double barrel origami gun, you need just one square of paper, glue, and a pencil or some round object to make the barrel. So let's begin. So we need to cut this paper or tear this paper in half. Here we have two 2x1 rectangles. Now they are just half of a square. So let's start. First we'll make the trigger. So we'll start by folding our paper horizontally in half. So we have two rectangles. Now we are going to fold both of these edges almost to the middle line. Not to the middle line, almost to the middle line. Just about a millimeter gap. So we fold in half, it is neat. So you see there is some space I left. Now we fold this whole thing in half. We need to just fold on the crease, this crease. And now we are going to fold this paper in half in vertical direction. This time not in the horizontal direction, in the vertical direction. So we have a line in the middle. Now we need to fold this part up. How much? That depends on you. If you want a bigger handle, fold it closer to the middle part. If you want a smaller handle, fold it away from the middle line. I want it to be medium, not too big, not too small. So I'll fold a bit close, a bit far, like this. And we need to do the same thing with the other side. But to make it exact, what we need to do is fold this whole thing in half, like this on this crease. Take the left flap and swing it to the right flap. And now fold this flap behind and bend it until it aligns with this edge, with this whole flap. And you can also align it from this crease, this flap, like this. Now we have the trigger. Now let's make the barrel. For the barrel part, we need a round object and round it up from here to here. And when you are almost done, apply some glue almost to the edge and roll it up. And we need to get our pencil or round object out of there. So we have this roll paper. Now we need to fold this part in half. So we are just bending over here. So we are bending it like this. So it's a bit round. and it's like this. And there we go, we are done with our barrels. Okay, now it's time for the assembly. So for the assembly part, grab both the pieces and take your trigger and hold it in this position. Take your barrels and open these two pockets of the trigger like this, so it's a bit open, and then insert both the barrels together. So this part is going to be our handle, this part is going to be our trigger. This part should go down and you need to take it out, push it, and after it is like this, you can pull the barrels to adjust. And guess what? We are almost done. So the last step is going to be that we are going to glue these parts. So apply some glue on the flap. That's it. Now we are done. And here you have made your own double barrel gun with moving triggers. And this gun can be loaded too. What you need to do is just pull this handle a bit, not too much, not with too much force, a little bit. And if this part is going to be loose, you will get a better trigger. And now we are done. Friends, add this new gun to your ball pen collection and please subscribe to my channel, like my video and share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye.